Hey guys, what's up? So iOS Gods actually just signed their app, so jump on this as soon as possible because it will be revoked. So I'll just link down in the description. You guys can just tap on iOS Gods app plus. It's gonna load, and this is actually their iOS Gods app plus. You guys can check it out. But we're actually gonna do the other way, which is free install. Tap on that, install profile. Tap on allow. Tap on close, and then we actually go over to our settings. Go to your profile downloaded, and then we have to tap on install. Enter our passcode in. Install one more time, and then tap done, and you guys are good. Now you have the app on the screen. We tap to open it up, and there we go. So not all the apps, but a lot of their apps are signed, and they are working. So we're going to tap on something to install, tap onto it, tap on install, and you got to enter your information in, and once you guys enter your username and password in, you can then install the apps. So really cool, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.